Well, happening this past week, over 60,000 FFA members attended the 95th National FFA Convention and Expo, which took place in downtown Indianapolis. That is a lot of blue jackets. This year's convention was an opportunity for students to attend workshops, compete in national competitions, and network with students from across the country. Nebraska FFA members performed very well at this year's convention. Placing 5th overall individually in the meets evaluation contest was Broden Dean of the Eustis Farnham FFA chapter. For his chapter, it's all about the preparation.
It's a 13-hour drive for us. When we come up here, we're studying the entire way up here. We stop at colleges and they set up workouts for us, so that's really cool. And then just here, like, you get in the cooler and everyone knows what they're doing. It's a little intimidating, but keeping your cool is probably the most important part of that too.
The Eustis Farnham FFA chapter was a gold emblem meets evaluation team. There was also 3 Nebraska FFA members who earned a top 4 spot in their respective National Proficiency Award categories. Madison Hirschman of the St. Paul FFA chapter was a finalist in the area of diversified livestock production.
My SAE is actually in beef entrepreneurship and sheep production. In my beef entrepreneurship SAE, I have 25 cows, a Red Angus and Charolais purebreds that I just have on my farm. In my sheep production SAE, I have 12 ewes that I just raised on my home farm. There are 8 ewes, and I just grew my flock ever since.
Jordan Howell of the Howells Dodge FFA chapter and Maria Cup of the Imperial FFA chapter were also top 4 proficiency finalists. 7 Nebraska FFA chapters received the highest 3-star national chapter rating, plus several Nebraska FFA members were national agri-science finalists.